In this video, we will be searching for drug delivery formulations for a particular use case. We will start the search in SciFinder and then transfer over to Formulus to look at specific formulations. We will use provided filters to quickly find relevant formulations. As I said, we will be starting our search in SciFinder, and I will bring in our research topic and paste it into the Omni box. So we'll be looking at doxorubicin formulations and their use in pharmaceutical liposomes for the treatment of breast cancer. So I will go ahead and execute that search. Doxorubicin can be toxic and somewhat unstable, so that's the reason we'll be looking at the use of formulations and specifically liposome formulations to deliver it. All right, it brings me back an all set answer set, and I'm actually interested in the formulations. I can see that there's a summary at it, and I'll take a look at that once I refine down to just formulations. Okay, so opening this up, I can see I'm pulling back the information I was hoping to find, talking about optimization of doxorubicin formulations. I can see liposomes, combined therapy, and the references from which that information was obtained. So that can be useful just to make sure I'm in the right area. And I do indeed see here liposomal formulations for breast cancer. If I open this up, I can see they're loaded with doxorubicin, so I can certainly see why this answer was brought back. To further refine these down, I can scroll down on the left-hand side and open up formulation purpose. Here I can see, specific uses of formulations, and in my instance, I was hoping to find some drug delivery systems for the delivery of this anti-cancer agent, and I'll apply those filters. So here I can see a couple different types of therapy here. This one's actually looking at RNA as a means of doing this, and the reason this is brought back with respect to doxorubicin is that they're actually comparing it as an alternative to this. So that's maybe not what we're looking for, but down here I do see a liposome formulation with a conjugate between a peptide and doxorubicin for the treatment of a type of breast cancer here. So I'm looking encouraged by what I see there, so that looks like it could be relevant. And then the next thing, since I want to pull back actual formulations, I can scroll down further beyond the formulation purpose down to the CS content. Clicking on that, I see that 38, and that's all I have left in this answer set here is 38. So all the articles I'm looking at have formulations associated with them. So I'll go ahead and just refine down my filters, my answer set there. And now to actually pull back the formulations, I can go into one of these records and see the formulations that they're associated. As I said, we are interested in this one here. I'm going to click on the title, open up the record, and within the record, I can look at my glossary over here, see the formulations associated with it, and scroll right down to them. So here I'm seeing several that look of interest to me. To see the detail, I click on one of the titles. It will now open up Formulus and show me this actual formulation. So I see, indeed, we're talking about drug delivery systems, the use of breast cancer, the use of pharmaceutical liposomes. And here it's showing me the different components, the amounts reported in there. It's showing me some other potentially interesting articles I can look into for additional information in the area, the process that was used to put this formulation together, and then the pieces of experimental activity tracked to optimize this formulation. So if you would like training tailored to your specific research area, please contact your CS representative.